Philip.
Yeah.
Philip, I'm scared.
I know, I'm too.
I need to like make sure that like this stuff is not starting to like pop because I'm gonna get struck out of the
Oh,
air.
you're popping, you're popping, you're popping.
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
Which thing? Oh, it's the dice hammer.
It'll answer your cam.
Okay. I think I'm gonna go here now.
Yeah, do it. Fuck it. Gotta go quick. Why the fuck do you guys have the lights out? Why do you have the lights out, dude? That was the most terrifying thing ever. I was
don't
like,
know. It turned the power off. It turned the power
The
off.
lightning. The
Holy
lightning struck the ship and turned it off.
dude, that was the most terrible. I closed the door and there was a dog.
I thought you were there. I thought you were dead
walking
for sure.
inside.
I thought you were dead
I
for sure
didn't-
because me and Drew were just sitting over here and
There's a dog inside of us.
yeah, it walks up to the fucking terminal and just sits here while we're just cowering in the fucking corner.